Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a first impression review and try-on of the City Color Ooh La La palette. And I got this from the dollar store, specifically my dollar store at Green Hills Shopping Center at Shopsville. I've seen City Color before sa mga online shops, and I think they sell other cosmetics as well, like lipsticks and blushes and stuff like that, and contour. I know they have a contour palette, and it was a big hype at one point, pero the only City Color product that I have ever tried is their lip liner, and I really like the shade Pecan from the range, and I also have other colors as well, pero plan ko siya i-giveaway sa next giveaway ko. Pero we're gonna focus on this palette first. I got this for 99 pesos only, you guys, and I couldn't believe it. So you have to watch the video to see how it performs. Pero this is how the look turned out. So without further ado, if you guys wanna see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so ayan siya. Parang siyang Paris themed. Yun yung napansin ko sa kanya kasi yung mga shade names. As you can see, plastic pa siya. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Hindi ko pa siya nasa-swatch. And we're gonna do that today. I will do a swatch first, like sa mga hands ko of the few shades. Ano ko lang is yung names ng shades, hindi siya naka-imprint sa, what do you call this, sa palette. So, medyo mahirap tandaan kung ano man yung shade name ng ano. So, you have to keep it para sa information. Okay, so this is the palette. Ayan siya. Medyo purpley siya. So, I guess we're gonna do a purple look today. May kasama siyang eyeshadow applicator like this. Basahin ko lang yung nasa likod. So, City Color is not tested on animals, so cruelty-free siya. It is distributed in Ontario, Canada, and it is made in PRC. So, made in China, and it is expired after 12 months of use. Yung amoy niya, amoy siyang crayon, actually. Hindi naman ako super concerned, pero bakit siya amoy crayon? Okay, so first, let's swatch some colors before we put them sa eyes. Let's swatch Eiffel Tower, which is more of like a purple shade. Ito. Parang siyang purple na may mga glitters. So, let's see if it's metallic. Try ko lang sa fingers first. At first touch, sobrang buttery niya. And medyo grabe pigmented din siya sa hands. So, let's try. Wow! Oh my God! Medyo pigmented naman. Like, curly naman, pero medyo sheer lang yung coverage niya. Pero pwede na. For 99 pesos, ang buttery niya. And I feel like, when I run my fingers through the color, blendable siya. Okay, let's try Lover. This one, Lover. Guys, ang buttery niya ha. Tapos hindi siya ma-fall out sa pan. Ang ganda ng pagkakulay. Sobrang bet ko siya. Honestly, hindi nyo ata makita. Ayan, sobrang pigmented niya. Medyo nasushook ako. Try natin tong copper color. Hindi, yung violet na lang. Para ano. The violet is called Moulin Rouge. So, ayan yung violet. Yung violet medyo sheer talaga. Pero medyo understandable kasi violets talaga are very hard to manufacture. Ayan, nasi-sheer out na yung violet. So, the violet is a no for me. Medyo ano rin siya, may pagka-shimmer. Let's try this copper one for last. Wala na akong kamay. Ang gusto ko sa kanya yung texture niya. Sobrang buttery. Try natin here. Guys, ano na. Sobrang ganda ng copper. Ang ganda nung copper. Okay, so sobrang bet ko to so far. Now, let's try it sa eyes and let's see how it performs. Okay, so now we're gonna move on sa eyes. Let's try this Ooh La La palette. So far sa swatches, gustong-gusto ko siya. Okay yung pigmentation except for the purple. Kasi for purples talaga, mahirap talaga mag-manufacture. I've heard a lot of beauty companies and beauty vloggers here on YouTube na may sariling makeup line. Mahirap talaga gumawa ng purple. Yun talaga yung pinakamahirap na formula na i-perfect. So, understandable kung bakit ano. Kasi 99 lang naman siya. bakit pa tayo magko-complain, diba? So, first, let's start with our transition shade. Honestly, hindi ko pa alam yung look na gagawin ko. Pero, we'll see. For some of the shades, hindi ko alam paano i-pronounce kasi it's in French. Let's start with Arc de Triomphe with this shade here sa ilalim. It's kind of like a camel color. Ayan, here. So, let's try. May base na pala ako, guys. Like, I put a concealer and I put powder over top it para smooth yung base natin and ano siya, magpa-pop yung mga colors na ilalagay natin. Ang pigmented naman niya. So, pwede talaga. Approve na approve sa akin yan. So, ayan. Gusto ko siya, guys. Like, for the first shade pa lang, sobrang nai-impress talaga ako. And to think, for 99 pesos lang to. Then, we're gonna add a bit of Louvre. This darker brown shade. Ano siya, mas deep, warm brown siya kaysa dun sa Arc de Triomphe. I'm gonna use the same brush. Tap off excess. And try ko lang rin siya lagay dito sa outer V and sa crease. So I'm diffusing it on my eyebrow tail as well para lang maging smoky. Kasi feel ko we're gonna do a smoky eye today. Okay ng transition. Sobrang okay yung pagka-blend niya. Let's try this shade. This is called Macaron. Try natin siya ilagay all over the lid. Ang cute na shade na to. Parang siyang millennial pink. Cute. Sige, bigyan natin ng chance yung purple. Try natin tong eyeshadow. Itong eyeshadow applicator. Honestly, may use naman kasi to. Hindi lang talaga, try natin kung gagana. Kasi okay siyang pang pack on ng color sa lid. So, try natin siya ilagay all over. Oh, wala talagang pigment yung purple. Oh, medyo. May lumalabas ng konti. Bigyan natin ng chance. Give chance to others. Ganun. So, ayan siya so far. I'm gonna fix it later. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more. I mixed Eiffel Tower. This Eiffel Tower is like a dark plum na may shimmer na konti. And Moulin Rouge. Moulin Rouge. So, pinag-mix ko lang sila. Kasi feel ko mas pigmented yung Eiffel Tower. So, that helped a lot. Gusto ko lang kasi siya i-try ng dry. Kasi, not all people will have, yung setting spray. I'm looking at my mirror. Wala siyang fallout talaga. So, that's a good sign. Considering na dark yung color na nilagay ko. Okay. So, medyo na-blend out yung pinak down kong kulay. Ayan. See, pagka binlend mo yung pinak mong eyeshadow, nawawala siya. So, bear that in mind. I guess I just have to blend this one out first and then add another layer of purple using my eyeshadow applicator. Gusto ko maglagay ng pink shade. So, this one is called Sane. This pink one here. Lalagay ko lang siya sa middle ng eye ko. Let's see if pigmented siya and if it's shimmery enough to put in the middle. Kita niyo ba? Hindi ko alam kung kita niyo siya. Ayan, parang nagiging duochrome na siya ng slight. And then I'm gonna add a bit more of Eiffel Tower. I'm gonna focus it here sa end ng eyes ko. Let's try it out. Parang gusto kong gumawa ng halo eye. Sige, gawa tayo halo eye. So what I'm doing now is after I get the pigment, I do a heavy hand here and a lighter hand here sa other side para mag-blend out siya dito sa outer edge. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya here. Kasi gagawa tayo ng ng halo eye. Then, same technique, heavy hand dito. And blend the two ends together. So, ayan. May smoky eye na tayo. So, that's what it looks like so far. Ayan. Kailangan lang i-blend to ng konti and i-bring down here sa lower lash line. But so far, so good. I'm just gonna touch up the pink here sa gitna. So, I'm experiencing fallout here, as you can see. So, I highly suggest na maglagay kayo ng baking powder here. Not baking powder na pang-bake talaga. Oh my gosh. Loose powder. And i-bake niyo yung under eyes and then do your eyeshadow kasi ayan, magka-fall out siya. Especially sa Eiffel Tower kasi since it's a dark color. Feel ko, tatry ko na lang na itatry tong sienna. Sienna pala. Sienna? Sane. Okay, sienna ako ng sienna. Sane pala. Pero itatry ko rin i-wet. Baka mas okay siya ng basa. I'm gonna use my fingers pa rin. Okay, so I think mas nagsushow up siya pag basa yung kamay. Yan siya. So, that's the difference. And then, we're gonna use a pencil brush like this. And then, we're gonna take... I wanna take this shader here. Di pa natin ito nagagamit. This is called Notre Dame. This one. Notre Dame. It's kind of like a gunmetal color na may konting purple na shimmer inside. So, perfect sa look natin today. Sobrang pigmented nito. Oh my god. Sobrang pigmented niya, you guys. Shocking. Hindi ako sanay na ganito kababa yung eyeshadow. Pero, I like it though. Nakikita ko kasi siya online na sobrang baba nung smoky eye. So, I thought I'd try it out. Okay, so there. Ayan na siya, the final eye makeup. So, now I'm just gonna add a bit of blush, highlight, and lips. So, for blush, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Pearlescent Pink. Then I'm gonna do a bit of highlight. This is the BH Cosmetics Nude Rose 4 highlighter palette. Okay, so now I'm gonna bronze up the skin with the NYC Sunny Skin Bronzer in the shade Sunny. And then for the final touch lipstick, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Gigi Hadid lipstick in the shade Tora, but it's a grage na color, so that here below would be neutral para lahat ng attention nasa eye makeup. Okay, so that is the completed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup look as much as I did creating it. I had so much fun, and this palette really exceeded my expectations. Sobra talaga. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun siya ka-buttery. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun siya ka-pigmented. Well, most of the colors are pigmented. And hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya magpa-perform. However, I don't know how long it lasts. I think it won't really last long. not unless you put an eye primer down first without powder para kumapit talaga yung colors dun sa eye primer or concealer. I think that will be a big help in keeping the eyeshadows intact. Pero for 99 pesos, you guys, sobrang worth it siya for me. It's not gonna break the bank, kaya okay siya, and you get an eyeshadow look like this. Parang hindi mo akalaing 99 pesos tong eye makeup na to. Kasi it really just depends on how you use your brushes and how you mix the colors together. The options are endless pagka marunong ka gumamit ng mga tools. I think with this palette, you can create more than just a smoky eye. You can also create some natural looks with these colors right here. Yung mga orangey and yung mga pinks, you can create a more subtle look. Kaya gusto ko rin siya kasi okay yung range of colors niya. Not every color is the same. Ang dami ko na-imagine sa head ko na pwedeng gamitin with this eyeshadow palette. And another pro that I have with this is yung selection of matte and shimmer shades. So with this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmer. So 10 shades in total. That's a very important thing when creating palettes para yung consumer hindi rin siya mahirapan, and you can have all the things you need inside one palette. So that's a big plus for me, especially for beginners who don't want to break the bank but still want to try to create some eyeshadow looks. I think this palette is very perfect kasi pwede siyang pang day and night as well. I wish they have more variants of these eyeshadow palettes kasi bibili talaga ako. So let me know what you think of the palette down below, of what you think of the eye makeup, or what makeup you want to do with this palette. I highly recommend you guys buy this. I don't know the other branches of my dollar store, but you can Google that and research. Pero in Green Hills, marami pa silang ganito. So do get your hands on this if you have the chance. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And leave some comments down below of your video suggestions, or if you're thinking of buying this palette, or what you think of my eye makeup. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, thank you for joining my giveaway in my last video. I highly appreciate it. And I'm also taking note of your suggestions, and I hope I can do them in my future videos. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!